Hi everyone, today we'll discuss one more problem on sequences and infinite series. What the problem says, find whether the series is convergent or divergent. The series is given as n plus 1 into x whole to the power of n divided by n to the power of n plus 1. Here we are solving by Cauchy root test. We are solving by Cauchy root test. What is Cauchy root test? If sigma un is a positive term series, then limit n tends to infinity un whole to the power of 1 by n equal to L. Equal to L. If L is less than 1, convergent. If L is greater than 1, divergent. If L equal to 1, test fails. So let's go for the problems. So what is given? Let un equal to n plus 1 into x by n to the power of n plus 1. This is whole to the power of n is there. Okay. Now raising both the side to the power of 1 by n. Un is given. So raising both the sides un equal to this. Let me write down a little bit. 1 n plus 1 to the power of n into x to the power of n. This is n to the power of n in splitted form. I am writing in splitted form. Now apply raising both the side to the power of 1 by n. So this will be 1 by n, this will be 1 by n, this is n by n, this n to the power of 1 by n. So what will happen? What will happen? This, oh, this n getting cancelled, this n getting cancelled. So this is n to the power of n, they get cancelled, this is root n. So un to the whole to the power of 1 by n equal to, this is n plus 1. We are left with n plus 1. This is n to the power of n getting cancelled by n. This is nth root of n and this is x. Okay. Now what I am doing, un whole to the power of 1 by n taken common. If you take n common, this is 1 plus 1 by n into x nth root of n. Now applying the limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity. As n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. This is 1. Nth root of n is 1. Limit n tends to infinity, nth root of n is 1. We are left with only x. Please remember, limit n tends to infinity, nth root of n is 1. Standard result. So is x. Answer is x. Therefore by Cauchy's root test, the answer is x. If x is less than 1, convergent. If x is greater than 1, divergent. If x equal to 1, test fails. So we have three conditions. So we don't know. It depends on x. So what the test says, less than 1 convergent, greater than 1 divergent, equal to 1 test fails. So now for x equal to 1. Now for x equal to 1. What is x equal to 1? So what is our un? Un equal to n plus 1. N plus 1 into x n plus 1 to x whole to the power of n, x to the power of n also, divided by n to the power of n plus 1. So x equal to 1 if you write, so x equal to 1. So this is n plus 1 by n whole to the power of n into 1 by n. So this is un equal to 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of n into 1 by n. Now apply n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity. Here also if you apply limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of n, I am writing separate limit 1 by n. This is e, as n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. 0 into any finite value is 0. 0 into any finite value is 0. Therefore, by definition of sequences, differentiation of a sequence, what it says, limit n tends to infinity, un equal to 0 means the given series is convergent. How can you say by def? By definition. Therefore, when x equal to 1, the series is convergent. That's it. So what we are doing, please see here. When the problem required the powers n power, we have to apply the Cauchy root test, CRT. Cauchy root test. What the Cauchy root test says, limit n tends to infinity, un whole to the power of 1 by n equal to n. So un we are raising whole to the power of 1 by n. Then applying the limit n tends to infinity, we got x. What is x? X is less than 1, convergent. Greater than 1, divergent. It is a conditional. We don't know. We are saying convergent if x is less than 1. Greater than 1, divergent. X equal to 1, test fail. So for x equal to 1, again testing the series. This comes to definition. By the definition of the sequences, limit n tends to infinity, un equal to 0 means the series, yes, or sequence is convergent. By definition of the convergence. We did not apply any test here. So for x equal to 1, the series is convergent. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Please do so.